Welcome to Japan, a country that feels like it's already living in the year 2050. From the neon-lit streets of Tokyo to the serene temples of Kyoto, Japan is a place where ancient traditions and futuristic technology coexist in perfect harmony. But beyond the famous landmarks, there are things here that you simply won't find anywhere else on Earth. Today on TrekFlow, we're counting down 10 incredible things that only exist in Japan. Stick around until the end, because our number one pick proves why Japan is officially the most polite and civilized nation on the planet. Let's dive in. Ten high-tech toilets. In most countries, a toilet is just a toilet. But in Japan, it's a masterpiece of engineering. Japanese toilets, known as washlets, come with heated seats, automatic lids, and even built-in music or privacy noise to mask any sounds. They are designed for ultimate comfort and hygiene, making a trip to the restroom feel like a luxury experience. Nine infinite vending machines. Japan has the highest density of vending machines in the world, roughly one for every 23 people. You can find them on every street corner, even in the middle of nowhere. And they don't just sell soda, you can buy hot coffee, fresh bananas, hot ramen, umbrellas, and even surgical masks. They are impeccably maintained and work perfectly 24/7. 8. The Shinkansen, bullet trains. The Shinkansen is the gold standard of public transport. Traveling at speeds of over 300 kilometers per hour, these trains are famous for their pinpoint punctuality. The average delay? Only about 12 seconds per year. The ride is so smooth that you can balance a coin on its edge while the train is at full speed. 7. Capsule hotels. Space is a premium in Japanese cities, leading to the invention of the capsule hotel. These are tiny, futuristic sleeping pods stacked on top of each other. While they look like something out of a sci-fi movie, they are surprisingly comfortable, equipped with Wi-Fi, TVs, and charging ports. It's the perfect solution for travelers on a budget. 6. Robot staff. In Japan, your hotel receptionist or waiter might not be human. Several hotels and cafes are fully or partially staffed by robots. From dinosaur receptionists to robotic arms that flip pancakes, Japan is leading the way in integrating AI and robotics into daily service industries. 5. Square watermelons. Have you ever struggled to fit a round watermelon in your fridge? Japan solved this. Farmers grow watermelons inside tempered glass cases, forcing them to grow into a square shape. While they are mostly used for decoration and can cost over $100, they are a perfect example of Japanese practicality and aesthetic focus. 4. Automated parking systems. To save space, Japan uses incredible vertical parking systems. You simply pull your car onto a platform, and a robotic lift whisks it away into a massive underground or overhead tower. When you return, the machine brings your car back to you in seconds. It's efficient, safe, and looks like a giant vending machine for cars. 3. The culture of cleaning. In Japanese schools, there are no janitors. Why? Because the students do the cleaning themselves. From a young age, Children are taught to take pride in their environment by mopping floors and cleaning classrooms. This creates a society where everyone takes responsibility for public cleanliness. 2. Unmatched honesty. Japan is arguably the safest and most honest country in the world. If you lose your wallet or phone on a busy street, there is a very high chance it will be turned into the nearest koban or police box with nothing missing. It's a culture built on deep mutual trust and integrity. 1. Deep respect, the bowing culture. The number one thing that makes Japan unique is ojiji, the art of bowing. Whether it's a greeting, a thank you, or a deep apology, bowing is a fundamental part of social interaction. It represents a level of respect for others that is truly unique to Japan. It's not just about technology, it's about the soul of the people. Japan truly is a world of its own. Which of these 10 things surprised you the most? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this journey, hit that like button and subscribe to TrekFlow for more amazing discoveries from around the globe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.